Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just watching me for the first time, please don't fail to subscribe and share. And for returning subscribers, I really love you all so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this new trending gele, and it's not difficult at all. My gele is very long, and it was shown in the first part. So for you to be able to tie this gele today, your gele has to really be long. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 4 pleats before placing my gele on my head. So this is going to be a V-shaped gele. All you have to do is to make sure that one hand of your gele goes behind your ear while the other hand comes in front to cross it and then to make it a V-shaped gele. It's not difficult at all if you are able to follow these simple steps I will be showing you all today. So this is the other hand that is crossing my gele in front to make it a V-shaped gele. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure that I continue with my pleats. I'm just going to make some nice pleats in front there. You really have to take your time in making your pleats so that they actually come out really nice and beautiful. So this part of my gele right now is still going to come in front of my head. So that's why I'm saying your gele has to really be long for you to be able to tie this particular gele today. I had this gele too in the house. I think there are 4 layers each, so I had to join the edges in order for this gele to be this long. And this gele I'm tying today is a firm gele. It's actually very strong and not like those other soft ashokes. This is a strong gele. So just in case you want to tie this kind of gele, you really can't tie it with a soft gele because it won't give you that standing sleek shape. Like I said guys, it's very important that you take your time in making your pleats because it's actually the beauty of the gele. If you take your time in making your pleats, your gele actually comes out more beautiful and nice. So right now I'm just going to take the part that is left, twist it, take it towards the back and pin it. You really have to make sure that your gele is secured so that it doesn't unravel, just in case you're dancing or you're carrying out any activity, it doesn't unravel. I'm so sorry guys, the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. So long as the hands of your gele are very long, they should be able to go around your head like 2 times for you to be able to tie this particular gele today. So the rule for this gele today is 50-50. So all I'm trying to do right now is making my fan. I'm just trying to make my fan that standing sleek look, and you have to make sure that you're making use of your both hands. One hand has to pick the pleats while the other hand has to hold the pleats down so that your gele does not unravel, especially if you're tying your gele for yourself. It is very important. Here I do not have any form of assistance, so I'm just doing it myself. But if you're able to follow me the way I am doing it, I am positive that you're going to get good results, and it's going to really come out beautiful and even better than mine. So my gele is actually very long right now. I'm just going to shift backwards a bit so that you guys can actually see it properly. So I'm through with my pleats. I'm just going to twist the part that is left and then open it in order to be able to form a rose. Although you can call it a leaf though, but you can call it a leaf or a rose, whichever way you want. My gele right now is going to be a little bit different from what is on my thumbnail because it was actually what I planned. I wanted it to have a slight difference, but with this particular tutorial today, I am definitely that you'll be able to know how to go about tying what is on my thumbnail. Like I said, guys, if your gele is not firm, there's no way that it will be able to form this standing fan-like look. So your gele has to be a strong and a firm gele. So I'm just going to take that part right now, place it on top of the twisted hand and pin it there. Just make sure that your gele is firm and it doesn't unravel. So right now I'm just trying to adjust my rose. You can call it a rose or a leaf. I'm just trying to adjust it so that it actually comes out nice and beautiful. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, guys, really, what are you waiting for? Please do that, guys. They are really going to help you to know how to tie any form of trending gele at all it is that you want to tie, be it on your client or for yourself. And I think I'm loving this look, and I'm going to appear in church with this look on Sunday to block everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't fail to subscribe and share. I really love you all so much. And if you haven't turned on your notification, please do that so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.